Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing fine and enjoying our Stay Active program. So today we'll throw some light on why our health is important in respect to COVID. This pandemic has hit us and it has really created problems in our life in respect to health and psychological problems, and we'll show you some data on why we stress so much on doing workouts. So Amar and colleague have reported that due to COVID-19 home confinement, that it has resulted in decrease in our physical activities, and above all 28% increase in daily sitting time has increased our food consumption, and that is unhealthy food consumption. Other thing, closure of fitness centers and public parks have forced people to stay at home, which has disturbed their daily routines and hampered their fitness activities. So now, one more company, Varsne and colleagues have founded that psychological problems are occurring in adults due to COVID-19 situation. And the reason behind this problem is that they are continuously adjusting to the new pattern of lifestyle. However, effective coping strategies, psychological resources, and regular physical exercise can help in dealing with all these problems. So another data shows that hospitalizations were 6 times higher and deaths 12 times higher for COVID-19 patients due to following comorbidities. So first is cardiovascular disease, second is diabetes, and third one is chronic lung disease. So these were the main 3 diseases due to which the hospitalization rate and deaths increased. So out of 300 people, there were 78 deaths, out of which males were 52 and females were 26. So now we'll deep dive into the data. It showed that those people who had age less than 45 were 10 in those deaths. Those whose age was 45 to 59 were 33 in numbers, and whose age was 60 was 35. So the reason behind this death was comorbidity, as we discussed in previous slide. So the data shows here is, so out of 78 people, 33 had hypertension, 24 had cardiovascular disease, that basically means heart related problems, and 22 had diabetes, and 12 were because of obesity. Now all these 4 problems which we discussed are related to lifestyle disorder. This is because of sedentary lifestyle and unhealthy eating, which is more on a peak because of COVID-19 pandemic, since we are sitting at home. So now we'll throw light on what is body composition. So people with a BMI of 25 plus were found to be more affected by COVID-19 and post-COVID complications. And above all, the most vulnerable group was people who had 30 plus BMI, falling in those who basically fall in obese category. Physical activity and its relation to COVID. Regular physical activity, while taking other precautions, is also considered effective in dealing with health outcomes of COVID-19 pandemic. Exercise and physical activities have important functions for individual psychological well-being as well. There is sufficient literature to show that exercise can play a vital role in promotion of positive mental health and well-being. Not only exercise, but keeping in mind what you eat, it also helps you to maintain a healthy life. Since due to COVID-19, everyone is indulging in emotional eating, which is basically not that you are hungry, but you just eat because you want to eat. And because of emotional eating, everyone is intended to consume more of sugary contents, which is not good for your health. Since gyms are closed, ये मैंने सीखा था स्कूल में कभी. Since gyms are closed, we'll have to plan our workouts. Now the real big question is how we can plan our workout. When all health promotion activities such as sports, regular gym exercise are not available in this pandemic situation, it is very difficult for any individual to maintain their general life. And as per WHO guidelines, you have to do 150 minutes of moderate to mild physical activities or 75 minutes of intensive activities per week, or combination of both. Now this is a big question since our gyms are closed. Amidst this pandemic related restriction, how people cope up and find ways to continue their physical activities and keep themselves healthy is a real big question. So now here are a few examples how you can stay active during COVID-19 pandemic. First one is you can join online program exercises. Other things you can do is jumping rope, you can dance, or maybe Zumba. muscle strengthening and balance training, and other is playing active video games. Pause karo. So now, here we present SK27 Fit to Go Stay Active program. Now this program aims at one-on-one training with trained individuals, in which we'll provide nutritional counseling and one-on-one training sessions, in which we'll consult you as per your goal requirements. So the major benefit of this program is this is going to be a customized workout one-on-one program, in which we'll counsel for nutrition as well as your exercise routine as per your requirements. And other major thing, you won't need any kind of equipment while doing this exercise routines back at your home. And if you guys are interested in virtual group exercise program, in which you can ask your family members to join as well, we provide you the same. And now, since we have understood that why exercise is important for our health due to this COVID-19 pandemic, you can go for Fit to Go program. For more detailed queries or any questions, you can call us at given number and you can book your slots accordingly. Meanwhile, stay active, stay fit, whatever you like, any kind of a physical activity, be it cycling, walking or jumping, dancing or Zumba. Keep doing it. So by being physically active, you will be able to see how small efforts every day will make a huge impact in your life.
Shabash! Well done.